Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 6 triangles, exercise 6.3, question 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So, first of all, it is a trapezium. So, we have to draw a trapezium ABCD. So, here already I have drawn the trapezium ABCD. Now, in that what is said, diagonals AC and BD. So, AC and BD, they are the diagonals. And then what is given? AB is parallel to DC. So, AB is parallel to DC. So, in trapezium always any one side opposite lines will be parallel. So here AB is parallel to DC. Then what else given? These diagonals, they are intersect each other at point O. These two diagonals intersect at point O. Now, using a similarity criterion for two triangles, we have to prove that OA upon OC, that is OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. So that's what we have to prove, that the ratios are equal, this side ratio and this side ratio. So criterion, similarity criterion, what are the things we have studied? So criteria for similarity of the triangles I have taught you. Angle similarity criterion you can use, or side angle side, or side side. So any of these criteria we can use. So let's find out which way we can do it. So now we have to take any two triangles, then only we can compare and use the similarity and criterion. So which two triangles shall we take? So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles are there. So which two shall we select? So you see here OA upon OC. So here you have this side OA upon OC. So this side is given. Okay, this side is given. Then OB upon OD. OB upon OD. This side is there. So that means which triangle shall we take? And already given to us AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So better to take these two triangles because these are the information we have. Okay. So now before entering into the question, we have to first prove the similarity of the criterion. So that means we have to show in these two triangles are similar. So before that, let's try to recall. In smaller classes you have studied that when two lines are parallel, okay, so when two lines are parallel and then you have a transversal, okay, transversal, then the angles that are formed, we study different types of angles, okay. So this angle called alternate interior angle, just the opposite. If two lines are parallel, the angle that is formed inside, the opposite side will be equal. If angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, 1 will be equal to angle 2 because they are alternate interior angles. So same way this angle also will be equal to this angle. Angle 3 will be equal to angle 4 because this also is alternate interior angle. This you have studied. Then one more thing we have studied, when two lines intersect, then the angles formed opposite direction will be equal. So that means angle 5 will be equal to angle 6. Same way this angle will be equal to this angle. So these two things only we are going to use here. Okay. So let's see. So we have taken this triangle and this triangle, right? So in triangle AOB and in triangle ODC. So in this two triangle, if you see, AB is parallel to DC, okay, AB is parallel to DC. So if AB is parallel to DC, then the angle that is formed, okay, this is two parallel line, then now this becomes a, what is that, transversal line. So that means this angle and this angle will be alternate interior angle. So can we write down? If you want to give name, you can give it. So angle 1, angle 2. So can you say that AC is transversal? Okay, if you want, AC is transversal. Therefore, angle, this is 1, right? 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle. Okay, so same way can we say this angle will be equal to this angle. This can be name it as 3 and 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Same, because they are also alternate interior angle. Now this, okay, here by the way, AC and BD. So AC also is transversal, BD also transversal. So that's why we are writing. Okay, so this is also alternate interior angle. Now if you take this angle 5 and 6. So angle 5 will be equal to angle 6 because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so now all three angles are equal. Now in this two triangle, this angle is equal to this angle, this is equal to this angle, and these two are equal, and we have given the reason. So therefore all three angles are here matching, right? So this is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So now can we say angle angle, therefore angle angle criteria. So we have to prove. So angle angle criteria in triangle AOB and triangle ODC, this ratio then we can say OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Okay, so if these two triangles are similar by angle angle criteria, then their sides will, ratio of their side will be also equal. So we have proved. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.